Hello and welcome to our video on how to deal with cat urinary problems, tips and tricks. As cat owners, we all know how important it is to ensure our furry friends are healthy and happy. However, when it comes to urinary problems, things can get a little tricky. In this video, we'll cover common cat urinary problems, how to identify them, and most importantly, how to deal with them. Before we dive into how to deal with cat urinary problems, it's important to understand what they are and what causes them. The most common urinary problems in cats include urinary tract infections, bladder stones, and feline lower urinary tract disease, FLUT. These issues can cause your cat pain, discomfort, and even lead to serious health complications if left untreated. Now that we know what urinary problems are common in cats, let's talk about how to identify them. Some common signs of urinary problems in cats include frequent trips to the litter box, straining to urinate or defecate, blood and urine, urinating outside the litter box, licking the genital area excessively, signs of pain or discomfort when urinating. If you notice any of these signs, it's important to take your cat to the vet for a proper diagnosis. So, how can you deal with cat urinary problems once they've been identified? Here are some tips and tricks. Keep your cat hydrated. Provide your cat with plenty of fresh water to keep them hydrated. This can help prevent urinary tract infections and other urinary problems. Feed your cat a healthy diet. A healthy diet can help prevent bladder stones, and feeding your cat wet food can help keep them hydrated. Provide multiple litter boxes. If your cat is experiencing urinary problems, they may be hesitant to use the litter box. Providing multiple litter boxes in different locations can help encourage them to use it. Use a high-quality litter. Choose a litter that is dust-free and unscented to avoid irritating your cat's sensitive urinary tract. Keep the litter box clean. Scoop the litter box daily and clean it thoroughly once a week to prevent the buildup of bacteria. Consult with your vet. If your cat is experiencing urinary problems, it's important to consult with your vet to determine the underlying cause and develop a treatment plan. Urinary problems in cats can be quite common, and they can be caused by a variety of factors. Some of the most common causes of urinary problems in cats include urinary tract infections, bladder stones, and feline lower urinary tract disease, FLUT. These issues can cause your cat pain, discomfort, and even lead to serious health complications if left untreated. It's important to monitor your cat's behavior and litter box habits to identify any signs of urinary problems. As I mentioned earlier, some common signs of urinary problems in cats include frequent trips to the litter box, straining to urinate or defecate, blood and urine, urinating outside the litter box, excessive licking of the genital area, and signs of pain or discomfort when urinating. If you notice any of these signs, it's important to take your cat to the vet for a proper diagnosis. Your vet may perform a urinalysis or other tests to determine the underlying cause of your cat's urinary problems. Once you have a diagnosis, your vet will be able to recommend a treatment plan that may include medication, diet changes, or other interventions. It's important to follow your vet's instructions closely to ensure your cat's urinary problems are properly treated. Prevention is also key when it comes to urinary problems in cats. Providing your cat with plenty of fresh water and a healthy diet can help prevent urinary tract infections and bladder stones. Additionally, keeping the litter box clean and providing multiple litter boxes in different locations can help encourage your cat to use the litter box, which can prevent urinary problems. Using a high-quality litter that is dust-free and unscented can also help prevent irritation to your cat's sensitive urinary tract. Some cats may be sensitive to scented litters or litters that contain a lot of dust, which can cause them to avoid using the litter box. One important thing to note is that some cats are more prone to urinary problems than others. Male cats, for example, are more likely to develop urinary blockages due to their narrow urethras. Additionally, overweight cats may be more prone to developing urinary problems, as excess weight can put pressure on the bladder and urinary tract. Another common cause of urinary problems in cats is stress. Cats are sensitive animals, and changes in their environment or routine can cause stress, which can lead to urinary problems. For example, moving to a new home, adding a new pet to the household, or even a change in your work schedule, can all cause stress for your cat. If you suspect that stress may be a contributing factor to your cat's urinary problems, there are several things you can do to help. Providing your cat with a quiet, comfortable space to retreat to can help reduce stress. You may also want to consider using pheromone diffusers or sprays, which can help to calm your cat and reduce stress. It's also important to ensure that your cat has plenty of opportunities for exercise and play, as this can help reduce stress and anxiety. Providing your cat with puzzle toys or interactive toys can also help keep them mentally stimulated and reduce stress. In addition to the tips I mentioned earlier, such as providing your cat with plenty of fresh water and a healthy diet, it's also important to monitor your cat's litter box behavior. If your cat is hesitant to use the litter box or is urinating outside of the box, it's important to address the issue as soon as possible. This may involve providing additional litter boxes, changing the type of litter you use, or adjusting the location of the litter boxes. It's also important to clean the litter boxes regularly to prevent the buildup of bacteria, which can cause urinary problems. This means scooping the litter boxes daily and thoroughly cleaning them at least once a week. If your cat has been diagnosed with a urinary tract infection or other urinary problem, your vet may prescribe antibiotics or other medications to help treat the condition. It's important to follow your vet's instructions closely and ensure that your cat completes the full course of medication. In some cases, surgery may be necessary to remove bladder stones or correct other underlying issues that are causing your cat's urinary problems. Your vet will be able to discuss the available treatment options with you and help you determine the best course of action for your cat. Another important point to keep in mind is that urinary problems in cats can sometimes be a sign of a more serious underlying condition. For example, some cats with diabetes may develop urinary tract infections or other urinary problems as a result of their condition. If your cat is experiencing recurrent urinary problems, it's important to discuss this with your vet to determine if further testing is needed to rule out any underlying health issues. In addition to the tips I mentioned earlier for dealing with cat urinary problems, there are some home remedies and natural treatments that may be helpful in managing urinary issues in cats. One popular natural remedy is cranberry extract, which is believed to help prevent urinary tract infections by preventing bacteria from adhering to the bladder walls. However, it's important to note that while cranberry extract may be helpful in preventing urinary tract infections, it is not a substitute for veterinary care if your cat is already experiencing urinary problems. Another natural remedy that may be helpful in managing urinary problems in cats is pumpkin seed extract. Pumpkin seed extract is believed to help support bladder and urinary tract health in cats by reducing inflammation and preventing the buildup of bacteria. If you're considering using a natural remedy or supplement to manage your cat's urinary problems, it's important to talk to your vet first to ensure that the treatment is safe and appropriate for your cat's specific needs. Finally, it's worth noting that some cats may be more prone to stress-related urinary problems than others. If you suspect that stress is contributing to your cat's urinary problems, there are several things you can do to help reduce their stress levels. Providing your cat with a comfortable, quiet space to retreat to can help, as can providing them with plenty of opportunities for play and exercise. You may also want to consider using pheromone diffusers or sprays, which can help to calm your cat and reduce stress. In conclusion, dealing with cat urinary problems can be challenging, but with the right knowledge and care, it's possible to keep your furry friend healthy and happy. Remember to keep your cat hydrated, feed them a healthy diet, provide multiple litter boxes, use a high-quality litter, keep the litter box clean, and consult with your vet if necessary. We hope you found this video informative and helpful. Thanks for watching. Please note that the information in this video is for educational purposes only and should not be used as a substitute for professional veterinary advice. If your cat is experiencing urinary problems, please consult with a veterinarian for proper diagnosis and treatment. Subscribe and like this video so that you will not miss the next video. Comment down below today.